Hello, I'm Isa, a therapeutic coach specializing in toxic relationship. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that's both painful and deeply freeing: forgiveness. More specifically, how and why forgiveness is essential in the healing journey after a relationship with a narcissistic abuser. This isn't easy, it's not instant, but it is possible. And most importantly, forgiveness is for you, not for them. Get comfortable, let's walk this path together. Understanding the wound. A relationship with a narcissistic abuser leaves deep scars. It's not just a breakup, it's a psychological damage. Manipulating, gaslighting, guilt-tripping, isolation. You come out of it shattered, drained, sometimes unsure of who you even are anymore. In this context, forgiveness can seem impossible. Why forgive someone who knowingly caused you so much harm? But hear the truth. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting. It doesn't mean excusing. It means releasing. Why forgive? Forgiveness is not saying what you did was okay. It's saying, I refuse to carry this pain anymore. As long as resentment, anger, or revenge live in you, the bond with the narcissist remains. Forgiveness is how you cut that energetic code. It's how you choose yourself, your peace, your freedom. You don't forgive because they deserve it. You forgive because you do. The path to forgiveness. Forgiveness is a process, not a single moment. It often starts with anger, then comes acceptance, and slowly peace. Here are some steps that can help. First, acknowledge the pain. Don't minimize what you went through. Denial blocks healing. 2. Express it. Talk, write, cry, scream. Let it out. Number 3. Understand the narcissist behavior. Not to excuse it, but to realize the abuse came from them, not from you. Number 4, reconnect with yourself through therapy, mindfulness, journaling, creativity, whatever helps you rebuild. Number 5, choose to forgive, not because they've changed, but because you don't want them living rent-free in your mind anymore. Here's my personal testimony. Years after living with a narcissistic, I still had resentment, but I'd bottled it up inside myself. Years later, I still had the impression of reliving the same scenarios, whether in sentimental, friendly, or professional spheres. My perception was distorted. Then one day I came back to the place where we had lived, and I saw my first name written in the earth. A synchronicity. That's when I agreed to forgive. I didn't do it for him. I did it to start breathing again, to be free and move forward serenely in my life. Forgiveness is an act of strength, an act of self-love. It's not about the past, it's about your future, and you have every right to heal. If this video resonated with you, please share it, leave a comment, subscribe for more content on healing from a toxic relationship. And you're not alone, you're not broken, you are becoming whole again.